Hello again, everybody. Boyd back with you. Oh, we've got something pretty cool on the bench here today to show you guys. I just wanted to make a little introductory video. We're going to be starting up a brand new long-term build series here on the channel right after we finish our little Robbie the Robot and the final details on the C-57. We've got this Enterprise Refit model kit in 1/350 scale by Polar Lights. And I built a couple of these. Looking at my channel, I was really surprised how long ago it's been. 6 or 7 years, and these were really popular builds on my channel. Kind of helped put me on the map way back in the day, and a lot of you guys have been asking about this for quite a while, to do kind of an updated build series on this, so we're going to be doing that. It'll be starting very shortly. I'm really excited about it. I've collected a lot of aftermarket parts for this over the years, some new updated electronics and some better masks and all kinds of goodies since the last time we worked on one of these. Now this is going to be a really cool build. I'm going to be doing an entire how-to build series here on the channel, taking you through this step by step. And then we're going to, of course, do all the Aztec painting on it towards the end. Now this model is going to be built up for our recently announced sci-fi, horror, and fantasy modeling show that we're intending to have here in San Antonio on October of 2023. And I mentioned in that video that we're going to be raffling off the model once it's done at the show. You'll have to be at the show and present to have a chance to win it, but this model is actually going to be painted or partially painted by Paul Olsen during the show, during one of his seminars using the airbrush. So this is going to be a really unique, one-of-a-kind Enterprise. Once it's all finished, it'll be really, really cool. And the lucky winner will have an Enterprise that's the only other one that exists in the world besides the original that was actually painted by Paul himself. So it'll have some really, really cool and interesting history behind it. Now, the other part of the video series here is to kind of document the whole entire build series, or building process, so that whoever the lucky winner is going down the road can kind of look back on this and see how the whole model was built and how it all came together. I'll take you all the way through the building process here step by step, and then there'll be some additional footage that'll come a little bit later on, leading up to the point where Paul actually lays an airbrush on this thing. So this will be really, really awesome. I really think it'll interest a lot of people, and if nothing else, it's just a updated build series here for you guys that have been asking about it for so long. I apologize for it taking this long, but you know, these builds, building one of these ships, you have to really get yourself into the right frame of mind. As far as, you know, sitting down and doing all the Aztec painting and everything, it's a slow, tedious process, and you have to be, you know, really patient with it, and you have to just kind of take your time. So I've been working up to this for a little while and kind of got some of my own little fun projects out of the way that have been itching at me for a little while. So I'm really excited to get going on this, and I've, you know, dug through all of my stuff to see what I have here. We have really some nice aftermarket parts. We have some new masking that we'll be using on this, and also some updated electronics that are quite a bit more advanced than what I used in the past. So this should come together really, really nice, you guys. I'm calling it an all the bells and whistles build. So I'm going to be putting in all the usual really cool options you can do on this build. So a lot of interior details, shuttle bay, sound effects, lighting effects, just some really, really cool stuff. So pretty pumped up about it, you guys. Can't wait to get started. It'll be very, very shortly here, probably in the next couple of weeks. So look for that here on the channel. Appreciate you tuning in, you guys, and thanks so much for all the support about the model show announcement. We're working hard on it. Hopefully we can bring it to a reality, and things are all lining up really good so far, you guys, and thanks for all your help. We'll see you on the next video. Take care and happy modeling, everyone.